Okay viewers, first of all, just take a look at these videos. They look absolutely amazing. These are paper-style animation videos, a trend that has recently gone extremely viral. As you can see, I've created a few examples, and the animations are incredibly smooth, clean, and visually appealing. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to create these paper-style animation videos step by step, so you can make your own and monetize your content, whether it's on YouTube or Facebook. Without wasting any time, let's start with the master prompt. You'll find this master prompt in the video description, so there's no need to worry about copying everything manually. I've already included everything you need, including the complete papercut master style. One more very important thing that I've added to this master prompt is something many of you asked about in the comments. Some viewers asked, if everyone's topic is the same, won't all the videos look the same? The answer is no. Inside the master prompt, you'll find a Choose One Topic section containing multiple different topics. Simply pick the topic you want to create your paper-style animation on, and the rest of the master prompt stays exactly the same. Besides that, you'll also find output requirements, image prompt requirements, instructions on what elements should remain consistent across every scene, my own complete story flow. If you don't have your own story idea, you can simply use my story flow as well. Again, the only thing you need to change is the Choose One Topic section. Copy your preferred topic, keep the rest of the master prompt exactly as it is, and you're ready to go. Now I'll copy the entire prompt. After that, I'll open ChatGPT because, as you already know, ChatGPT is excellent for prompt generation. Before pasting the prompt, I'll first remove the Choose One Topic placeholder since it's only there for you to select your own topic. Once that's done, I'll simply paste the master prompt. As soon as I paste it, ChatGPT will generate 10 detailed image prompts automatically. You can see how clean and professional these image prompts are. Every scene is perfectly structured, and all 10 prompts follow the same consistent paper-style animation look. Now comes the next step. I'll simply ask ChatGPT, give me the video prompts. As soon as I send that message, ChatGPT instantly generates 10 matching video prompts, one for each scene. You'll get Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, all the way to Scene 10, with cinematic animation instructions for every image prompt. Take a look at them. They're incredibly detailed and perfectly matched to the image prompts. Now, both the image prompts and video prompts are completely ready. I'll simply copy everything, open a document, paste all the prompts into it, and save the file. Because in the next step, we'll move on to image and video generation, where I'll show you how to create these stunning paper-style animation videos using a 100% free AI tool. So, let's get started. Okay viewers, now it's time for the image generation process. For generating images, I'll be using Manoos AI. This tool is absolutely amazing, and its official website is Manoos AI. You'll find the link in the video description. The best part is that this tool used to provide 100 free credits, but now they've increased it to 300 daily refresh credits. That means every time you log in after 24 hours, you'll receive 300 free credits automatically. Now I'll simply copy my first image prompt, paste it into Manoos AI, select the correct aspect ratio, and then click Generate. As soon as I click, the AI will start thinking and begin creating my first image. You'll need to wait patiently for a few moments, and then I'll show you the final result. After waiting for a short time, you can see that my first image is now ready. Oh my God, viewers! This looks absolutely incredible. Just look at the quality and the details. Now I'll move on to the second image prompt. From Scene 2 onward, I'll continue copying each prompt one by one, pasting them into Manoos AI, and generating every image so I can show you how amazing these paper-style animation prompts really are. So I'll keep generating Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, and all the remaining prompts one after another. Once everything is submitted, we'll simply wait for the AI to finish generating all the images. As you can see, I've copied every prompt one by one, pasted them into the tool, and started the generation process. Again, you'll need a little patience while the images are being created. One of the best things about Manoos AI is that it uses GPT Image 2 for image generation, which is one of the latest and most powerful image models available. Normally, this model is quite expensive to use, but with Manoos AI, you can access GPT Image 2 completely free. And yes, I genuinely mean it. This is 100% free. You don't need a paid subscription to generate these images. Now you can see that all of my images are being generated one by one. So just be patient and let the AI finish its work. Trust me, the image quality on this platform is absolutely fantastic. After waiting for a few moments, look at these results. All of my paper-style animation images are now completely ready. Oh my God, viewers! These results are absolutely amazing. The quality, the consistency, and every single detail look fantastic. Now all you need to do is download each image and save it to your device. Simply download them one by one and keep them organized. Once that's done, we'll move on to the final step, turning these images into animated videos. Okay, viewers, now we've reached the last part of this tutorial, which is video generation. For creating the animation, I'll be using Flow AI. Okay, viewers, once you've opened Flow AI, the first thing you need to do is upload all the images that we downloaded earlier. I'll simply select every image and upload them to the platform. After the upload is complete, we'll start animating them one by one. After waiting for a few moments, you can see that all of my images have been uploaded successfully. Now I'll select the first image. Once it's selected, I'll enter a simple animation prompt. For example, you can type something like "add paper animation style." You can also write your own prompt if you prefer, anything that suits your animation style. After that, I'll simply click the Generate button. Okay, viewers, let's wait a few moments while Flow AI creates the animation. Now let me show you the result of the first video. And look at this! My first paper-style animation is now ready. This result looks absolutely fantastic. The animation is smooth, the movement feels natural, and the overall quality is simply amazing. Now I'll continue by selecting my second and third images so I can generate the remaining animations. As you can see, both videos have now started rendering. All you need to do is wait patiently while Flow AI finishes processing them. Once they're ready, you'll see just how impressive this paper-style animation effect really is.
Yes! We did it! Thank you all! Champions, go!
Ahoy, me beauty! Shiver me timbers, gold and gems.
The reason I'm sharing this workflow is because paper-style animation is one of the latest viral trends right now, and I wanted to bring this exciting niche to all of you before it becomes even more popular. After waiting for a short while, look at these final results. All 3 of my videos are now completely ready. Wow, these paper-style animation videos look absolutely incredible. The animation quality is excellent, the transitions are smooth, and every scene looks clean, engaging, and professional. Take a look at the final videos. They're visually stunning and perfect for creating viral content on social media. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and found this idea helpful. If you did, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another exciting AI idea. Goodbye.